Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle Lock. This innovative device offers superior security for various applications. It features a durable, circular design, typically crafted from hardened steel, providing excellent resistance against tampering. Understanding its core components, such as the rotating disc and internal pins, is crucial for effective operation. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced usage tips, ensuring you can confidently secure your valuables with this reliable system. Setting up your Circle Lock correctly is the first step to optimal security. First, choose a solid, immovable surface, such as a reinforced door frame or a heavy-duty anchor point. Use the 4 included high-tensile steel screws, each measuring approximately 2 inches in length, to firmly secure the main housing. Double-check that the circular locking plate has a clearance of at least 1/2 inch for smooth engagement and disengagement. Proper installation ensures maximum protection. Operating your Circle Lock is straightforward once installed. To engage, simply align the circular locking plate with the receiving mechanism and turn your unique key clockwise until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is fully secured. To disengage, insert the same key, rotate it counterclockwise by 90 degrees, and the mechanism will release. Always perform a quick tug test on the secured item to confirm the lock is properly engaged or disengaged for peace of mind. Maintaining your Circle Lock ensures its longevity and reliable performance. Every 3 months, wipe down the exterior and keyhole with a soft, dry cloth to remove any accumulated dust or debris. Twice a year, apply a small, pea-sized amount of graphite-based lubricant directly into the keyhole to keep the internal components moving smoothly. Annually, check all 4 mounting screws for tightness, ensuring they are secure to prevent any potential vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.